Unlock the future. DIY key fob for Ford, Mazda, Lincoln, and Mercury. Fast, easy, and affordable. Tired of hunting for your car keys or dealing with expensive dealership fees? This 2-pack replacement key fob clicker is your ultimate solution. Compatible with a wide range of Ford, Mazda, Mercury, and Lincoln vehicles, this DIY-friendly key fob offers a seamless, budget-friendly way to restore your keyless entry system. Programming is a breeze. Just follow the simple instructions, and you're ready to roll in no time. Why pay a fortune at the dealer when you can program your own replacement key fob from home? This high-quality, self-programmable remote offers convenience and savings. It's pre-tested, comes with batteries installed, and includes clear DIY programming instructions. You'll be back to enjoying smooth, secure entry into your vehicle without breaking the bank or spending time at the shop. It's the smarter, faster choice. Not only is this replacement key fob affordable, but it's also incredibly reliable. Featuring a built-in transponder chip, it ensures that your vehicle starts without a hitch. The remote key fob's design is durable, and the electronics are fully integrated to transmit signals without fail. Whether you need to replace a lost fob or want an extra, this product is guaranteed to keep you connected to your vehicle reliably. No more worrying about complicated installation processes or hidden costs. With this keyless entry remote, programming your new key is simple and straightforward. Just follow the easy step-by-step guide on the website, and you're good to go. If you get stuck, you can always contact a local technician or locksmith for assistance. This fob is ready to deliver hassle-free functionality straight out of the box. Quality matters, and this key fob delivers. Designed for long-lasting use, it comes pre-programmed with all the electronics, transponder chip, and battery you need. It works seamlessly with a variety of vehicles, from Ford F-150s to Mazda Tributes, and is the perfect solution for a quick, reliable fix. Don't settle for less. Opt for the key fob that combines tech innovation, durability, and ultimate convenience, all at a fraction of the cost.